It hurts to say this as a Barcelona fan, but being the number one team in the world, if Real Madrid approaches someone, they just go. There is no saying no to Real Madrid.
Very
So
true.
let's talk about the tactics. What tactics do you think that Zidane is playing with? Like, what formation does he prefer? Attacking balanced or counter-attacking like that?
Yeah, I think that the formation Zidane is actually, getting on the ground is that 4-3-3 as mainly basically equally balanced team which plays both offensive and defensive style of football. Basically building up Modric slightly higher than Casemiro and Toni Kroos in the midfield, and the forwards in the front. Yeah,
So it's 4-1-2-3 or it's 4-1-2-2-1 or something like that.
yeah. 4-3-2-1. Yeah,
It's 4-3-2-1.
yeah. No, sorry. 4-2-3-1.
Yeah, 4-2-3-1. Okay. So
Yeah.
they're also playing with a double pivot, or it's just that they need more holding midfielders.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I don't follow Real Madrid fans
They actually
matches other than the
want-
Champions League, so I don't really know.
Yeah, they actually want midfielders to hold the ball and just play. Like, I would say that Modric has been doing that really well. Yeah, even though he's aging, he has been one of the tremendous players of Real Madrid this starting season. Yeah.
But do you think that after Zidane left, they've had two managers or three managers? I don't know exactly. I think it's at least two managers they have changed
Yeah.
since
Two
Zidane
managers
had finished his first term. So do you think that after Zidane has come back, the team has kind of stabilized, or it's now kind of stagnant? They're playing this boring band of football, or it's just an old style, but it's working. Whatever it is working.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it's not. It is working, but like, how do you see the team improving tactically or with the way they play, the style of play?
I would say that the team is actually improving day by day, but I'm not saying that this is the best tactic he will be using in the game or something like that. But probably over the next year and so on, we could have a great team. And by this year, I would say that this would be the tactics of him. And by this tactic, he would be willing to get a lot of trophies, I think. I don't know. Maybe, yeah.
And I would like to point something out. After Zidane came, I think Real Madrid's defense has improved a lot, especially last season.
Yeah.
Though their attack has been lacking, their defense was strong, and that's what they took on. Like, they maintained a lot of clean sheets throughout the game. And this season, I had not that first game was a little defense looked a little shaky, but I hope they'll
Yeah.
get back to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, the other thing was talking about the lack of their attack, like the bite in their attack, the sting in their attack. Once you have a player like Ronaldo, there is very little chance of replacing him or somebody getting back to that chance. So
Yeah.
forever, if you look back at the history of Real Madrid, you'll always look back at that standard. Ronaldo has set that like a standard. That's a benchmark.
Yeah.
So when you compare that era with now, the attack obviously won't hold up. But it's not that they're being very bad. They are scoring their goals. But during the end of last season, you could see that most of it came through penalties, and Ramos scored most of them.
Yeah.
So it's not that the claims of the attack being a little weak are unsubstantiated. And if you think about it, if Benzema is injured, there isn't like a very, there's not like an elite striker. Rodrigo, like you said,
yeah.
he's good. His name didn't come to my mind, but yeah, Rodrigo is pretty good. But if you compare him to Benzema, I don't think like you can rely on him in big match situations. Like especially now we know that Champions League starts on the
Much
20th.
senior player, no?
Yeah, they play like 4 games or 3 games every 7-8 days. which is ridiculous. And the chances of injuries coming in are like humongous. And
And
knowing
I would
that,
like to point that out. Like I've been
yeah,
hearing
yeah,
recent news like some 6 or 7 players are injured already in Real Madrid. And how do you think it will affect the team right now?
Yeah, injuries have been a problem since the day one itself. Yeah, but yeah, yesterday onwards, Danny Carvajal has been injured out. Because of that, we would give Odriozola a chance, I would think. But yeah, injuries have been a really good problem. But we have young players who has been on the benches, who are willing to be on the field. Yeah, I think that Zinedine Zidane would give them a chance.
Okay.
okay, yeah. So I forgot what I was saying. Completely missed what I was saying. Whatever my
The
train of thought
strikers.
was.
Yeah,
See,
you're
it's
talking
not
about
only about
Rodrigo.
this.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's not only about the strikers. Like we saw that it's not like they had a fatigue in last season's Champions League where they lost to City, but Varane did make a humongous mistake that led
yeah.
to the whole team just falling apart.
Mm.
So if they do not have like proper backups, I'm not even saying that they need to be exactly like first team quality and on top of the world, though that is what Real Madrid stands for, like being the gold standard of all teams. If you do not have a player who's at least a little bit less than that, once that player is injured, it's going to be very tough to cope up. But talking about that, Zidane is already a genius, so he might have something up his sleeve that none of us have even thought of. The other thing I wanted to ask you was, who do you think the players to look out for would be? Like this player might be like a very good player this season.
Yeah, I'd say Marcus Odegaard and Federico Valverde. I would say both of them have been really amazing, and on the last season as well, Valverde has been a really wonderful player on both on the field. Yeah, I would say, and I would also point out Thibaut Courtois. Yeah, he has been on magnificent form since the day one. Yeah, pretty good saves and all.